ESET Review: Honest User Experience with ESETs Cybersecurity Solutions in 2025. With cyber threats getting more advanced every year, a strong antivirus isn't optional anymore, it's essential. So I tested ESETs Cybersecurity Suite for 2025, and here's my honest experience. Most people get this wrong. They think antivirus software only protects against viruses. But ESET goes far beyond that. It guards against ransomware, phishing, spyware, and even network intrusions. The setup was straightforward. Installation took just a few minutes, and it immediately ran a smart scan. What stood out to me was how lightweight it felt: no lag, no pop-ups, and no slowdown while gaming or streaming. ESET's interface is clean and beginner-friendly, yet powerful enough for tech-savvy users. Features like the advanced firewall, anti-theft tools, and password manager give you full control over your digital safety. In testing, ESET blocked every phishing attempt and caught several potential threats before they became issues. The real-time protection was accurate without false alarms. One of my favorite features was the device control option, which lets you manage USB and external drives, great for preventing infected hardware from sneaking in. If you go for the Smart Security Premium plan, you also get encrypted storage and identity protection, which is great for anyone managing sensitive files. The only small drawback is the interface could use a slightly more modern look, but in terms of performance and reliability, ESET remains a top contender. In 2025, ESET continues to be one of the most dependable cybersecurity solutions out there, fast, precise, and built for real-world threats. If you want rock-solid protection without the clutter, ESET is definitely worth it.